Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2025. The world is literally your oyster. Ever dreamed of working from a beach in Bali? Sipping espresso in a Parisian cafe while crushing deadlines? That's the digital nomad life, and it's closer than you think. Ditch the cubicle, grab your laptop, and let's explore the world, 1 gig at a time. Digital nomads? We're a new breed of adventurers. We work remotely, using technology to earn a living from anywhere with Wi-Fi. We're entrepreneurs, freelancers, remote workers, the modern-day explorers. We answer to no one but our wanderlust. First things first, you gotta find work that travels. Luckily, tons of industries are embracing remote work. Web development, graphic design, online teaching, virtual assisting, writing, marketing, the possibilities are endless. Listen, you can't live on sunshine and good vibes alone, though it helps. Financial planning is key. Build up your savings, create a budget that factors in travel costs, and make sure you have enough to cover those unexpected adventures. Picking where to go is half the fun. Consider your budget, visa requirements, internet reliability, super important, and of course your personal interests. Do you want bustling city life or tranquil beaches, spicy food or crazy nightlife? The world is your menu. Choose wisely. Before you jet off, make sure you've got the essentials covered. Passport, visa if needed, travel insurance, don't even think about skipping this, and any necessary vaccinations. Safety first, people. Remember, less is more. Pack versatile clothing, essential toiletries, and your trusty tech gear. Leave the just-in-case items behind. You'll thank me later. Productivity on the go. Stay focused, stay ahead. Working from paradise has its perks, but distractions are everywhere. Establish a routine, set boundaries between work and play, and find a dedicated workspace, whether it's a cool co-working spot or a comfy cafe. The digital nomad life can get lonely. That's why connecting with fellow nomads is so important. Join online communities, attend local meetups, and share stories, tips, and maybe even a beer or two. You're not alone in this journey. We all have a responsibility to protect our planet. Choose eco-friendly accommodation, reduce your plastic waste, and support local businesses. Let's keep this planet beautiful for future generations of nomads. AI is a game changer for us nomads. AI-powered apps can help you find the cheapest flights, translate languages on the fly, and even manage your finances. Talk about working smarter, not harder. The digital nomad lifestyle is more than just a trend, it's a revolution. It's about freedom, flexibility, and experiencing the world on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? The world is calling. Adventure awaits. Peace out.